It all starts with this. And all this becomes evidence. And evidence can't do what it's meant to do when it's disorganized, hard to find, view, and share. Each piece of evidence begins with a single source. Shouldn't it end up in a single place? The answer is Axon Evidence, a secure, centralized digital evidence management system that accepts all types of evidence and organizes it in one place. Axon Evidence can instantly find that one piece of evidence you need to build a strong case. And it's designed with easy-to-use functionality like dynamic review and playback. It's also versatile, with built-in tools like automated redaction, performance, and sharing. Plus, transcription, evidence suggestions, and more make the whole process lightning quick. And we're just getting started. Future features will include virtual and augmented reality scene scans. We're also working on evidence timeline and mapping views, and a host of AI connections and mobile experiences for working in the field. Axon Evidence, the DEMS for the demands of modern policing.